We're here at the next week of the Season All Beef Seasoning Tournament to help you decide which beef seasoning you should have on hand at all times. Now this week we have another round of big contenders. We've got Kinder's The Rub seasoning, we've got the Franklin brisket mix, we've got Meet Dave, hilarious comedian and delicious seasoning, and the Adams brisket rub. Now this is not the Adams Reserve, it's different. It's the other one of their seasonings. So we're gonna try all these big contenders out this week. I'm really excited about this week's competition. Some really big players in here. I love Kinder's, I love Franklin's, I love Meet Dave. I haven't had the Adams blend yet, but their last one won. So the Adams Reserve mix. So I am thrilled to see what we're gonna get this week, see how the meats are gonna taste. So without further ado, let's do the usual. We're gonna get it seasoned, we're gonna get it on the smoker at 250, we're gonna tallow it, wrap it, finish it in the oven, let it rest, and we're gonna cut them up and do a blind taste test to see which are this week's winners. Joe has been heating it up on his side. The blends and meat looks absolutely delicious. Hopefully mine will come out just as good, and I'm looking forward to seeing this week, so let's freaking do it. All right, let's see how we're doing here. 178 D2. Ooh, that one's really good. 190. 184. 181. All right, time to wrap. These are perfect. God, I love beef ribs. All right. All right, as usual, glasses off, eyes closed. Meet me. Delicious, absolutely delicious. Number one. Oh.
Second one first.
All right, yeah, time to hit. Okay, next round.
Go.
Also delicious. Man, that one's tough. Number one.
Is number three.
Oh, okay, so the winners today are Aaron Franklin and Meet Dave.
No shit. Nice. Folds up in a blind taste test.
Yeah, and both of them were, I mean, first of all four pieces were phenomenal. But I would say that like the two that I liked most seemed to like really extract the beef flavor in a way that was just like caramely, melt in your mouthy, delicious-y. That was incredibly good. So that's the winner for this week. Joe, it's back onto you for your final heat of the first round. We are going to dive into this beef because I have a whole ton of it and a lot of people waiting to get it. I'm starving. Can't wait to have some. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you on the next tournament.